Download and install Oracle Java 17 LTS. I'm going to show you how to download and install Oracle Java 17 LTS in Windows. Java is a programming language that is used to create a wide variety of applications, including web applications, mobile applications, and desktop applications. Oracle Java 17 LTS is the latest long-term support release of Java, which means that it will be supported with security updates and bug fixes for at least 8 years. The first step is to open your web browser. You can use any web browser that you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once your web browser is open, search on Google. Type Download Oracle Java. Then click on Java Downloads, Oracle India. See Java 20 and Java 17 available now for download. Now scroll down. JDK 20 is the latest release of Java SE platform and JDK 17 LTS is the latest long-term support release for the Java SE platform. Then click on JDK 17. Then click on Windows. Then see the 64 installer. Click on the link https://download.oracle.com/java/17/latest/jdk17_windows64_bin.x. Then download process started. It will take some time. Once the download is complete, you'll need to run the installer to install Java 17 LTS. Once the installation is complete, you can verify that Java is installed by opening a command prompt and typing the following command. Java version. If Java is installed, you should see a message that displays the version of Java that is installed. Java version 17. Java TM SE runtime environment. Java hotspot TM. That's it. You've now successfully downloaded and installed Oracle Java 17 LTS in Windows. Associative, your gateway to innovative IT solutions and digital success. Boost your business with Associative's comprehensive services. Android app development. iOS app development. Cross-platform app development. Web application development. Website development. Digital marketing. Search engine optimization, SEO. YouTube marketing. Social media marketing. Email marketing. Market research services. Leveraging cutting-edge technologies. We possess expertise in a diverse range of programming languages and technologies. Our proficiency extends to the following: C++, Java, Jakarta E, Spring, Spring Boot, Hibernate, EJB, and Java Persistence API, JPA, Kotlin, Swift, SwiftUI, Flutter, and PHP. We employ a variety of robust databases to facilitate our work. Our preferred options include Oracle Database, MySQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. For application server requirements, we rely on reputable platforms that offer reliability and efficiency. Our preferred choices encompass Oracle WebLogic Server, Eclipse Glassfish, and Apache Tomcat. Our team possesses expertise in a wide range of platforms, ensuring we can cater to diverse needs. We have extensive experience in working with Laravel, Selenium, Appium, Magento, WordPress, Joomla, OpenCart, Drupal, Shopify, and PrestaShop. These platforms enable us to deliver comprehensive solutions tailored to our clients' specific requirements. To facilitate our development process, we employ a suite of industry-leading IDEs and development tools. Our toolkit includes Android Studio, Xcode, IntelliJ IDEA, PHP Storm, JetBrains Aqua, CLion, and DataGrip. These robust tools empower our team to efficiently create and enhance software solutions while maintaining the highest standards of quality and productivity. To meet the diverse cloud computing needs of our clients, we possess expertise in multiple industry-leading platforms. Our proficiency extends to Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Microsoft Azure, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. These platforms offer a comprehensive range of cloud services and solutions, empowering us to architect, deploy, and manage robust and scalable applications with enhanced security and reliability. Amazon Web Services, AWS. Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Microsoft Azure. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. Contact us now via WhatsApp at 90288505524. Email us at info@associative.in. Visit our website at associative.in, associative.co.in. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your business to new heights with Associative's tailor-made solutions. Our team of experts is ready to collaborate with you and help you achieve digital success. Unlock your potential with Associative.